Driving with a damaged windshield is not only unsafe, but can also be costly to repair if the crack spreads. Thankfully, you can fix a windshield chip on your own with a few simple tools and methods. Rubbing alcohol effectively removes dirt, debris, and oil from the chip, ensuring a clean surface for the resin to bond properly. Firstly, clean the chip area in your windshield with rubbing alcohol. Then, put a piece of cardboard behind it and wrap black tape around it. This will help you focus better on the chip in the windshield. Take a safety pin to remove any glass residue from the chip. Next, take a seal and peel off one side. Place the seal on the chip area and peel off the other side. Put the pedestal on the seal and press it down to fix it properly. Put the resin into the hole and use a safety razor to remove the seal from the windshield. Take a flat yellow square and place it on the chip, then press it with the flat razor. Leave it for 15 minutes. After that, remove the yellow square from the chip and also remove the black tape. You will get amazing results with a fixed chip in the windshield. Liquid dish soap helps remove dirt, oil, and debris from the chip area, ensuring a clean surface for better adhesion of the repair material. Spray a liquid dish soap and water solution on the affected area of the windshield. Then, wipe it with a clean cloth to remove dirt. Take a nail polish that matches the windshield and dab it into the chip. Leave it for a few minutes to dry. After that, remove the excess nail polish with your nail. This will fix the chip and prevent the windshield from cracking further. A windshield repair kit saves money by fixing chips and cracks at home. It restores clarity and strength, preventing further damage. Rain-X Windshield Repair Kit helps prevent further cracking by filling chips and cracks. It reduces distortions, maintaining clarity and driving safety. It offers an affordable alternative to professional windshield repair or replacement. It stops small chips from becoming larger cracks. So, by following these methods and techniques, you can keep your windshield in good condition and prevent further damage.